First fish of the day here, little runt bass on the big old spinnerbait. Go figure. Wind's kicking up pretty good, so I'm kind of fishing these protected grass lines here. There's a lot of submerged grass, so I'm just trying to keep that spinnerbait above the submerged grass. Let's see if we can't get another one. Oh yeah, lots of wind. No! That's a pretty good one. Found the bass. It's actually a pretty good one. Yeah. There you go. Not a bad little marsh bass. A little less than a pound. Oh yeah, bringing in the salad too. It's a nice red. It's a nice red. I think I saw some more in here too. Alright. Get a measurement on them as I'm making all this noise. There you go, 20 and a half. 20 and a half inches. Beautiful red. He's going in the cooler. Alright. Caught him on the Swimmin Fluke, Arkansas shad, little chartreuse tail, 1/8 ounce swimbait hook. I'm dealing with a lot of grass in here, and I was trying to throw the spinner, but it just kept getting hung up. So switch to the weedless presentation, and I think I spooked a school of them, but that's the way it goes. I'll paddle around here and see if there's any more. There's one.
You got one?
Yeah, feels like a decent one. Holy crap. I might have a black drum or something. It just took out about 70 yards. Oh, what do I have? Whoa. Big red. It's got me all wrapped up though. Holy crap. You see that? I might use that hand with the net if you can get it. Holy cow. Huge red. 15-pound braid with 12-pound leader. And he had me wrapped all around. I thought I was fighting him the other way. Wow. Man, I thought he wrapped me around that tree. I thought he was running that way. He was over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm lucky he didn't break it. And I only have 12-pound leader on here. We'll see how this goes. He's not quite done yet. I'm worried about this grass though. I'll try to direct him toward you. He might run under your boat though, which would not be good. He might be. You think you can get him? Here he is. Can you see him? Yep. He's under your boat. Well,
Let me go backwards.
See if you can go forward, maybe. All right, we're clear. He's stuck in something. This wind's not helping either. Yeah. Oh. I don't know where. I think he's right under you.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on, he's stuck in the grass. Doesn't help that I'm floating away from you. Alright, I might.
He's got stuck. He's got grass.
be able to.
Might get him, yeah.
Yeah.
He's tired out.
Got him. Woo! Oh no!
Still on your hook though, right?
Yeah, but this is the fish that doesn't want to get caught.
Oh.
Alright, come on.
Cruising.
There we go. Holy cow.
Nice.
Wow.
What are you looking at there?
Same thing.
Like,
Oh, I don't know weight wise.
yeah.
I'm maybe about 10 at least.
You might not have enough room in that little
I don't know. I don't know that he'd be worth keeping. What do you think?
No, but I mean, as long as you could put him back.
I don't know. You tell me.
It's up to you. You know, he might be too big, but
Just meat wise though, is it gonna?
yeah, I wouldn't worry about that. You got it all on tape, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna, if I can bug you for a photo though, that'd be awesome. I can hand you my phone, or if you have yours handy.
Might actually run into your boat.
Get a measurement on him. Oh man, holy cow. He's pushing 27 3/4. There you go. Let's see.
Nice. Imagine something good.
Thanks. Yeah. Well, there he is. All right. Yeah, I think I'll turn him loose.
Maybe I can catch him. I've been having no luck all day.
Yeah. All right. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Woo! What's that? What's that? Oh yeah, well I said he took about at least 50 yards right off the bat. And that's why I thought it was like a black drum or something, but... And well, he had me wrapped around that tree too, so like I said, I was looking out to the open water and he was headed back in. I know, I'm lucky that it held. Whew. Gotta love it.